A digit n greater than 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Which one of the following is divisible by 4? A number which is greater than 3 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. So first such number will be 9. 9 is greater than 3. It is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. So I can take n as 9. Which one of the following is divisible by 4? So let's check. If n is 9, 2n becomes 18. It is not divisible by 4. 3n becomes 27. It is not divisible by 4. 2n plus 4 becomes 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22. It is not divisible by 4. 3n plus 1. 3 9s are 27 plus 1. It becomes 28. It is divisible by 4. So answer will be option number D. The number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integers from 1 to 1000. Again, same type of question. The number of times the digit 5 will appear while writing the integers from 1 to 1000. And look at the options. Options are bigger, so manually it is not possible. I cannot check every number. So that is why I have to find some pattern, right? So instead of 1 to 1000, I'll check between 1 to 100. So how many numbers are there which contains 5? So it is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, right? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 65, 75, 85, 95. Right? So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So between 1 to 100 there are 25s. So how many intervals are there between 1 to 1000? There are 10 such intervals. 1 to 100, 101 to 200, 201 to 300. So between 1 to 1000 it became 20 into 10. So 200 times 5 appears. Now we are missing, definitely missing something, because option doesn't have value 200, right? So what we are missing? We are missing the section between 500 to 599. We have counted all the 5s between this interval, but we have calculated only these 5s. We have calculated only these 5s. We have calculated only these 5. We haven't considered 5 at the 100th place, right? So between 500 to 599, how many numbers are there? 100 numbers are there. Sorry, 100 numbers are there. So 100 times a 5 is going to come in the place of 100 place. So I need to add 100 here. So total number of 5s will be 300. Option number C. See, I have just found the pattern that was hidden inside, because it is not manually possible to calculate each and every number, right? See, next example. In a school, every student is assigned a unique identification number. A student is a football player if and only if the identification number is divisible by 4. He is a football player if and only if the identification number is divisible by 4. Whereas a student is a cricketer if and only if the identification number is divisible by 6. If every number from 1 to 100 is assigned to a student, then how many of them play cricket as well as football, right? So numbers which have been assigned are 1 to 100. If that number is divisible by 4, then that is a football player. If that number is divisible by 6, then that is a cricket player. Right? So we have been asked how many of them play both football and cricket. That means those numbers must be divisible by 4 and 6. Right? Tell me the first number that is divisible by 4 and 6, that will be 12. So those jersey numbers will be in the multiples of 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. How many numbers are there? 5 plus 3, 8 such numbers. So that means 8 such players are there, which are both football players as well as cricket player. So in short, what we have done, we have found the LCM of 4 and 6, least multiplying LCM, least common multiple, right? So we have found that 12 is such first number that is divisible by both 4 and 6. So again, the next jersey numbers will be multiples of 12 only. So there are 8 such numbers which are both divisible by 4 and 6. So those are the 8 football as well as cricket players. Next question. If x is greater than or equal to 25, x is greater than or equal to 25, and y is less than or equal to 40, then which one of the following is always correct? Then which one of the following is always correct? See, x का range क्या है? X is greater than or equal to 25, y is less than or equal to 40, right? So first option says x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Now, when I take y as 40 and x as 25, does x becomes greater than y? No. So first statement is wrong. Y minus x is greater than 50. Y minus x is greater than 50. It is not always the case. If x is greater than 25, so I take x as 30 and y is less than 40, so y can be also 35. So y minus x becomes 5. So it is not greater than 50, so this also wrong. Y minus x is less than or equal to 50. So this seems right because y का maximum value है 40 और x का least value है 25. So y minus x becomes 15 here. It is the maximum value of y minus x. Why maximum value? Because henceforth y is getting to be reduced and x is going to be increased. So this value is going to be a smaller value. So 15 is the highest value of y minus x. That is why y minus x is less than or equal to 15. It can be 15, but other values are always going to be less than. Because y का value हमेशा अब क्या होने वाला है? कम होने वाला है 40 से. और x का value, it is going to be more than 25 always. Right? So this y minus x is going to be less than or equal to 15. So option number C is correct. A printer numbers the pages of a book starting with 1 and uses 3089 digits in all. Just carefully read the wording. Look at the wording very carefully. A printer numbers the pages of a book starting with 1 and uses 3089 digits in all. These are the digits used by the printer. These are not the page numbers. These are digits. If that printer is printing page number 55, then how many digits will be? 2 digits, 5 and 5. If that printer is printing 123, there will be 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So such number of digits are, total number of digits are 3089. How many pages does the book have? How many pages does the book have? Now, this question can be solved like 1 to 9. are the single digits, right? 1 to 9. So how many digits? 9 digits, right? 10 to 99. 10 to 99. How many numbers are there? 90 numbers are there. So 90 numbers means how many digits? These are all 2 digits, double digit numbers. So 90 into 2 will be 180 digits. Are you getting? 10 is a 2-digit number, 99 is the 2-digit number. It is the smallest 2-digit, it is the largest 2-digit number. So in all we have 92-digit numbers. They are 2-digit number, that's why we are multiplying 90 with 2. So the whole digits become 180. Now let's look at 3-digit numbers. 100 to 999. 100 to 999. So how many numbers will be there? 900 numbers, and all are 3-digit numbers. See, these were 9. 2-digit numbers were 90 pages. So 9 digits, 180 digits, and 3-digit number will be 900 pages. 2700. Total number of digits till 999 pages, because page number is way more than 1000, so we have to go till 999. There is no other option, right? So how many digits are there? 9, 8, 8, 2. So till now, till page number 999, we got the number of digits as 2889. But we want the number of digits 3089. So what is the difference? 3089 may say 2889 minus kar de. So difference is 200. We need 200 digits more. But further, all page number will be of 4-digit numbers. We want 200 digits, but every number is going to be of 4 digits. So for 200 digits, how many pages will be there? 50 pages. 21049. So there will be 50 pages, and 50 into 4 will be 200. So 3089 will be our desired count. So last page number will be 1049. Last number will be 1049. So that book consists of 1049, and to print that book, printer needed to print how many digits? 3089 digits.